Hi, this is Open Total Parts Pro. Today the 2021 Hyundai Iload, stock number 6549. This ran from the 5th 2012 to the 3rd 2021. It has a default CB 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed automatic transmission. This is a default CB 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 16-inch factory alloy mega tyre, left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear sliding door 1 dent in the corner, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mega tyre, left rear tail light, right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mega tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door no dents, right front door mirror, right front guard, right front headlight with some stone chips, right front 16-inch factory alloy mega tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,